Okay, so today what I'm going to be filming is known as reverse foundation. So I saw this on YouTube last night actually for the first time, but it's where you do your contour, blush, and highlight underneath and then put the foundation on. So since I just did a video where you guys have already seen me do my brows and eyeshadow and all that jazz, I decided to already have it put on. Obviously this brow is a little bit more intense, and it looks silly with no other makeup on, but we're just gonna go for it. Anyway, so I guess I'm gonna start. I have already primed, which I don't use primer that much, and I should use it a lot more. But I did my primer today with what I had, which is the Milani Prime Shield. I just kind of put that all over my face, let it kind of soak in. Because they say to use a cream contour, cream blush, and a cream highlight. I don't know if I have more of a foundation that isn't such full coverage. I think it would be this one, which I used in the last video, because it is more of a dewy finish. So I think I'm going to use that. For eyeshadow, I did use the Morphe palette. It's the 25B, more of the neutral shades. So let's go ahead and do, for my so-called cream bronzer, the Cover FX in Rose Gold. It's more of a darker. I don't know, maybe I'm going to thoroughly regret this. See, it is 9:35. Today I'm going to hit up Bath & Body Works because they have their candles for $8.95. So that's a steal. And then I'm trying to use the same finger so I don't mix my colors. And then I have the Christmas showcase. My friend Destiny should be here about 10. So I'll be doing some vlogging there for Vlogmas. I mean, that kind of looks bronzy. I think this may work. Okay, but oh God, I gotta get more of these. These things have just been so, I've used them so much, and there's still so much in there. I guess just get it up in there, huh? It's done. Let's do the blush. I have the Maybelline Dream Bouncy Blush. It's kind of hard to see. It's been used quite a bit, but it is the color Candy Coral. I tend to like a little bit more of an orangey blush because of the red hair. In my color schemes, I tend to wear more warm colors just because they complement my skin tone and my hair. Okay, it's showing up on camera. I feel like I'm doing it a little heavy because I'm afraid, oh, whoa. I'm afraid with the foundation, it's just gonna get lost in it. We're gonna need to buff that out for sure. I guess I'm using both hands. I don't know, so far so good. This feels weird doing it all backwards. It's picking up on camera pretty well as long as the lighting stays legit. For highlight is again Cover FX, but this time in Celestial. So we may have to add. Try not to go too heavy, because most likely with the way I like my highlighter, I probably will be putting that over the foundation, but we'll see. Oh, hot dog. Oh my God, it looks like 3 lines on camera. We'll be blending that a little bit. Wow. Well, I guess we'll get some on the nose, on the upper lip, on the bridge of my nose. Try to blend that. Woo! Too much on that side. It's pretty though. I hope I'm not doing this for nothing because I sort of am on a time limit. You kind of want to go back in with some more of that blush. Well, I guess when in doubt, use your fingers, right? just really hoping this shines through the foundation. And I guess let's do this. I'm nervous that I'm gonna put it on and it's gonna be gone away. But I'll link down below the videos I watched for the eyeshadow and the reverse foundation. So I don't know if I should like put it on the brush, put it on my finger. I'm thinking the brush, like just, I have it on my finger, but just like kind of dabbing it on the brush. I'm scared. All right, here goes nothing. Maybe it's because you don't need to do so much on that side. You know, like you don't have to like... I don't know. Like trying to take it all in and get my first impression. Because obviously I will take some powder and that looks pretty good because you know what? I can still see the bronzer. I don't know, I think I kind of lost a little bit of that blush. But the highlight looks good still. Because the whole point is for it to look more natural. Let's just keep going with it. And I think it helps putting it on the brush as opposed to dabbing it all on and soaking that in. I hear a cat meowing. Well done, baby cakes. Well, here's the real test. So my nose obviously is pretty highlighted, so let's see how this goes. I don't know. I think what happened is that I chunked too much foundation on there at one time. I definitely think a less coverage foundation would definitely help. I don't know, it looks pretty freaking natural. I'm really happy with this side. I'm hoping I don't mess up this side. The whole point of this reverse foundation is to make it look like you're not wearing a bunch of makeup. It's more of like a natural look. Because I mean, sometimes we all like to have a bunch of makeup on and, you know, people to know we're wearing makeup, but there obviously there are people that like it to look like they're not wearing a lot of makeup, like that's their main goal. And I would say maybe with this type of brow look, maybe I should have just done the normal, but it does look really good. I think this side looks better than this side. I don't know if maybe I didn't go as dark, but that's where, you know what, you just go in with your normal products and kind of darken it up. I'm going to do like the lightest touch. Like that. I don't want to go too much. Then I'm going to take this fluffy brush and just kind of, because I don't want to take away from what I just created. I think too, my computer's over here, so it's really like taking the light away from this side. I think that looks pretty good. Just kind of setting those spots with just a little bit of powder just so they don't fade away, kind of like foundation throughout the day. Bring my nose back a little bit because I did just chunk on the foundation right there. Oh, I think that looks pretty good. I'm thinking about I want to get rid of that double chin. That's what you're gonna see in my blog would say. Vlog, looking like a half a lump. Funny. Now, all in all, I think I would do this again. That was pretty simple. I just think I was a little scared. No, I really do like this. Like, that looks blended, at least to me, blended and nice. So last step I want to do is use the Wet n Wild, which I used in my last video, the brightening powder underneath my eyes. Just try not to get into that highlight. Down here. We want to make sure to set the foundation around my nose. At this point, I'm just gonna end this part right here, and I will come back to show you the finished look. Here's the finished look. I really do like the reverse foundation and how it turned out. I think it looks really natural. I did decide to try some eyeliner, which I don't like. I'm just not an eyeliner girl. I think it really like darkens up my eyes. I don't know, I'm just not a fan. And I like this lippy, but the lippy I'm using is the Huda Beauty in Girlfriend. So, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I got cats everywhere. Cats, cats, cats. There's my dog. Hi, Dee Dee. All right, I gotta go get ready. Destiny's gonna be here any minute. Bye.